right guys, so we pretty much just wrapped up my photo shoot. I'm here in Lafayette, LA. I'm at Trendy Spaces and it's really trendy, y'all. Like, it's really nice. They have these really cool lights. And then also, as you can see behind me, there is the name of it. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. All right, y'all, so it's really pretty. I'm giving y'all like a real behind the scenes look. But this is pretty much how the space looks. So if you're in the Lafayette area, definitely check this space out, y'all. And the price to rent it for 1 hour was not bad at all. And they also have events here. They have like these spaces. So this is a co-working space where you can take pictures or you can do work with like your clients and stuff like that. So yeah, so they have this kind of space in here. And then, you want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Tell people to check you out.
How you doing?
He is the owner.
Trendy Spaces. Come on.
Period.
That's right. That's right.
Super, super nice, y'all. So definitely book if you're in the Lafayette area. And this is another space that they have. Really, really nice space, y'all. Beautiful. You can go ahead and put the light on, Mom, because I know there's another light in here. All right. And yeah, like, it's beautiful. And then they also do have a space outside. It's like an event space. So if you want to have like a wedding reception, an engagement party, there's like a bar out there, y'all. Like, this place is just amazing. So yeah, y'all. So that was an exclusive behind the scenes look at Real Southern Belle Consulting LLC. I cannot wait, y'all. I'm trying to launch my website in September. So definitely be on the lookout. If you're a beginner content creator or if you have a business and you need help with your brand strategy, please let me know and I will definitely schedule a consultation with you. But thank you guys so much for watching this exclusive behind the scene look.